Hey, what's up everybody? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something not so different. A couple weeks ago I posted a Deadpool mystery box from Loot Crate that I opened very late. And lo and behold, a couple days ago, I got another one. So I am wearing the shirt that I was talking about in the last video, the one that I got from Etsy that has the cutouts in the side, a little bit of elastic around it so you can wear it off the shoulder. And it's basically just Deadpool in his chimichanga stand selling a chimichanga to another Deadpool, it looks like. So I found this shirt, which I was not able to find for the last Deadpool video, and we're gonna open up another box today. So I actually got an email about this box saying that the theme is the F word, but the F word meaning family. Whether that's true or that's just a joke, I don't know, but we're gonna open it today and find out. So here it is. Deadpool Mystery Box, Part 2. Whoop. Hey, let's see. It says, what the hell is this? All this. What the? It says, what the hell is all this? So, let's just go and dive right in. I don't see a card of any type. Hey, well anyways, so we have another Deadpool pin. The last one was Taco. This one is a Deadpool head with a knife going through it. And if you don't know anything about Deadpool, well one, I don't know why you're watching, or maybe you just watch my videos, but if you don't know anything about Deadpool, he can't die. So there's that. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna open these two things together. This, oh my gosh, I could probably take this to work depending on how inappropriate it is. Might be a little too inappropriate for work, actually. It does say for age 17 and up, so work might not find that to be. Oh no, this isn't that bad. So this is a Deadpool sharpener, a pencil sharpener, and it comes with pencils. Alright, I guess I probably only need to take one out. It says, "You have failed me, brain." I don't know if I could keep it still enough to like actually get you to focus. So this is just like a twisty pencil sharpener. It's not an electric one, which is actually not bad if I'm gonna take this to work, because let's be honest, electric pencil sharpeners in a quiet office is very annoying. Although it does seem like this might take a little bit of time to get sharpened. I've been twisting it for 15-20 seconds now, and that's as far as it's sharpened. So I'll take this to work today. It is like 8:30 in the morning. My son was sick last night, so I'm kind of off to a late start, and he's already at the sitters, so I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna film a video today. I wanted to get this video up so much quicker than I got the last Deadpool video up. So I will take this to work, and I'll let you guys know how well it really sharpens. Although I don't think it's gonna sharpen that good. Okay guys, so I'm just going in the order that I see things. I'm not doing anything in any special order. This is a t-shirt. If you guys know me, I love getting t-shirts. I'm a t-shirt collector? I don't know if I'd call myself a collector, but I love t-shirts. So I will show you guys what the t-shirt looks like. I don't know what this looks like. You're seeing it before I do. Ooh, okay, this is cool. I like this. So we have Deadpool standing in different directions. Let's see what it says. Oh. And it's basically his definition of what he's wearing, his weapons, his gear, so to say. So you can see we're kind of highlighting the swords here with the little circle around it. Can you see that? There's a little yellow circle that goes to the swords. And it says, well, crossed out, sharp swords, really sharp swords, but that's crossed out, and it just has really, really sharp swords on it. And then we have on this side a yellow circle going towards his utility belt, and it says pouches, more pouches, crossed out. And then underneath it, it says all the pouches. So this is a really nice shirt. I always feel like the shirts that come in these boxes are of good quality and they're printed very nicely. They're always very creative. Things that you typically don't see, like when you go to your Target, Walmart, you know, wherever you like to get your attire, even things that are so much different from places like Hot Topic and Spencer's that has a lot of like superhero or pop culture type of stuff. So let's move on to the next thing. This is some kind of book. I don't know if this is a pocketbook or a journal, or we're gonna open it up and see, but before we do that, I don't know if you'll be able to get a glimpse of this on the camera. It's Deadpool riding a unicorn. So hopefully that shows up on camera, because it is really that like black on black. And oh, it's a doodle book. It's like, it's a sketchbook. Oh wow, this is really cool. I'm not an artist of any sort, but my boyfriend is an amazing drawer. Like he's really good, and he's a graphic designer. And while I do like to doodle, I feel like this might be better suited in his hands. Can you see the doodles that are already printed in there? And there's just a couple. It's not like, it's not a lot. The majority of it is the majority of it is blank pages. So that's really cool. I've never gotten anything like that in a mystery box before, so keeper. Last but not least, this is a picture, a comic strip. And I really want you guys to be able to see this, so I'm gonna take off the plastic around it. Now, this is a comic panel from Deadpool Corpse #1. This is what it looks like from a distance. I'm just gonna slowly go up so you guys can see that, and I'm gonna really take a good look at it myself. I am a comic book fanatic, which is really weird. I was never into comic books when I was younger. It's like when I hit 19, 20, and I'm 26. So I got really into comic books in my adult years. I unleashed my true geek, I guess you could say. So I love framing this kind of stuff. I love going and getting works of art at Comic-Con when Comic-Con comes to Pittsburgh. So this is really cool. This was a really good box. I have to say that, oh, do I like this box more than the other one? I was going to say I did, but I'm not 100% sure. I think I like this box a little bit more than the last box. So when I checked last time, to put the link for the box in the description box, I couldn't find it. So my thought was that they are no longer selling this box, but it appears to be a subscription. So being Christmas is gonna be coming up, guys, I might have to temporarily cancel some of my subscription boxes. I'll come up with some new ideas for the channel, but because Christmas is coming up, I really want to start saving because I have a big family, I have a kid, I have a boyfriend, and I really, you know, got to start buying those presents, which is a very scary thought. But I do have another unboxing coming up. I know that the past 3 videos has been an unboxing, so I'm gonna try to change it up for the next video or 2. But thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this. You can follow me on my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And as always, that information is down in the description box below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're doing fun stuff like this all the time. That's it, guys. So thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate you guys giving me your time and attention. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Bye.